Chapter 5. Jordan the Cat.
Meow. Hi there, I'm Jordan the Cat. I live in a cozy house where I love to explore and take lots of naps. Imagine we're in a warm, sunny spot together. Can you feel the sun on your fur? Oops, I mean skin. So cozy. My fur is soft and fluffy, with patches of grey and white that make me look extra snuggly. I have big, bright eyes that help me see even in the dark. Can you make big, wide eyes like me? Look at you! Just like a cat. Cats like me love tasty treats, like fish, chicken, and little crunchy bites called kibble. I love my food. Imagine we're eating some yummy cat treats together. Crunch, crunch, delicious. I love playing with my toys, especially the ones that look like little mice. I pounce and chase them all around. Can you pretend to pounce with me? 1, 2, 3. Pounce! Great job! Thanks for joining me today, little friend. We'll have more perfect adventures soon. Meow. See you next time.